Hello, welcome to another update video for eDirectory version 13. Today we'll show you how to use the range widget to display qualities of a listing, such as where a restaurant is on a scale of cheap to expensive. Let's check out how to add this widget to your listing template. To start, the range is a widget used to show the scale of values or quality. We have a number of different icons available, but let's start with the common example of using dollar symbol to show how expensive a listing, such as a restaurant, is, to give you an idea of how it works. Let's start by clicking on Add and create the widget in our sidebar. Then, just select the range widget and fill in the information. In our label, we will put average price to facilitate understanding when creating the listing. We will also hide the title when displaying because a user will know intuitively that a dollar sign indicates price. We will choose the dollar sign figure to represent the average price. For example, a fine dining restaurant will have 4 dollar symbols, whereas a food truck might only have 1. After defining the icon, we go to the interval, which is the number of icons that will appear. It can go from 1 to a maximum of 10. In the case of the restaurant template, we will do 1 to 5 dollar signs. If you do not want this field to be mandatory, you can start with the interval at 0. If the listing owner selects 0, the widget will not appear at all. Now, just save the widget, then save the listing template, and go to the admin page to create the listing. To fill in your range widget, you just have to go down to your page and select the average value in the indicator. The restaurant I am adding happens to have an average pricing, so I will select 3 dollar symbols. After that, just save and check the result. The range widget can be used for a number of other things beyond pricing, such as level of luxury and stars. Or for example, if you're doing listings of plants, you might use a sun icon to indicate if the plant likes full sun or shade. There are tons of different icons available. If you have any questions, please visit the link on the description of this video and contact our support team. Also, be sure to watch the next videos to understand more about eDirectory version 13. Thanks for watching and see you next time.